Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a tool like this to take off the gel from your nails. I do my nails myself, so I do 3 coats of the gel. So what I'm showing you is this item, that this is going to replace foil paper. I'm very much into saving the environment, so I try to replace things that I can reuse for things that you use once and throw away. Plus you save a little bit of money. So it comes like this in a box like this. It comes like this. You get a set of 10 of them, and then you get some nail tips, and you get a nail filer. So that's how it comes. And so what we're going to do right now to try it out, I'm just going to cut a piece of cotton. You can use the whole thing, but I like to use half of it. And this nail polish remover, I got it at CVS, but you can also find it at Walmart. So pretty much I'm going to go ahead and soak this thing. And I'm going to put it on the nail, just like that. And then I'm going to put the clip, and I'm going to let it sit. Okay, so I'm going to try taking it off now. I'm just going to take this out. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to rub on it. Okay, so we go over it. And then, there you go. There's the nail completely clean. So now I'm going to take the acrylic and I'm going to do my nails again. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the description below, the link for it. I hope you like this and use it and try it and let me know how it works for you. Other than that, that's all I have. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.